Random function. On your Sharp EL-W535SA, you have 4 different random options. To access your random menu, you're going to use your second function button and you're going to press 7. You will see your 4 different options. The first one is random, which does random decimals between 0 and 1 to 3 decimal places. Your random dice does numbers between 1 and 6. Your random coin is like heads and tails, but instead it uses zeros and 1. Your random integer is a really fun one, so we're going to use that. We're going to press 3, and then you can choose any 2 numbers that you would like your random numbers to be between. So for example, if we wanted random numbers between 1 and 20, we could press 1, then you press your X, Y button. Oh dear, I made a mistake, so we're going to press backspace, and 20, and then all you do is press your equals button and it will give you random numbers, and you keep pressing equals, it will keep giving you random numbers.